Let's just settle this brand matter once and for all. Yeah, there are two ways to start cashing out from your brands. Them notice you, or you carry your leg, go knock their door. That's it. Finish. You either attract them or you approach them. But in both cases, my dear, you must package yourself well. No be vibes and cruise with a run girl. This is content to cash real estate. So first thing first, if you want brands to chase you, you need to look like someone worth chasing. And no, it's not about faking anything. It's about showing you are ready for business. Here's how you will do that. Number one, know how to pitch yourself on the spot. If a brand DMs you today and says, tell us about your channel, you're not supposed to stammer like person wey no read script. Say something clear, confident, and concise. Something like, I create relatable finance content for young Nigerians who want to save smart and hustle legally online. Boom! One sentence, powerfully packaged. Number two, have a rate card handy. You are not doing charity, you are building a business. Your rate card should include YouTube mention, maybe 80,000 naira, sponsored video, maybe 150,000 naira, Instagram reel, maybe 50,000 naira, Instagram story, 2 frame, 15,000 naira. Even if you go just price later, let brands know you are not guessing. Number three, know how to negotiate like person with sabi maths. When a brand approaches you, don't just shout yes like they propose marriage. Calm yourself. Put your business hat on, something like this. Try this. Thanks so much for reaching out. Based on my engagement and audience fit, my rate for a brand mention is 100k. If them shock, let them shock. You are setting your tone. You are showing your worth. And guess what? They might just say yes. Number four, create the kind of videos brands actually like. Let's be honest, most brands don't like forceful buy this product energy. Instead of shouting, buy this cream now, oh, we dey sell am for cheaper price, oh, we're on promo sale, oh, why don't you try something like my morning routine featuring XYZ cream? See how my skin dey glow now? Something like that. It is subtle, natural, still persuasive. That's the content brands want to be part of. See, no sit down dey wait like it's NYSC posting. Oh, sometimes you must carry your value, go meet them. Now let me take you through the practical guide. Go on LinkedIn, search for the brand you love, click on their page, look for people with titles like marketing manager, influencer coordinator, brand executive. Once you find them, craft a sweet, short, confident message. Not begging, you are offering value. For example, I am Olawa, a lifestyle creator who helps young Nigerians make smarter life choices. I love what your brand stands for and would love to explore a collaboration that feels natural and valuable to both our audiences. I've attached my media kit and would love to hear your thoughts. Polite, sharp, professional, no forming desperation. And please, attach your media kit. No go pitch brand like person wey carry nylon bag go do job interview. Your media kit is your digital CV. It tells them who you are, who your audience be, your numbers, your work samples, and what kind of collabs you offer. Even if you have just 200 subscribers, still make more media kits. You feel update them as you grow, but at least start now. Let me break the myth once and for all. You do not need 1 million subscribers to start getting brand deals. What you need is a loyal audience, clear niche, consistent content, solid presentation, and a little boldness to shoot your shot. There are creators with 1,000 subs making real money simply because they know their value, their niche, and how to top money without shaking. Don't wait till you blow. Pitch with what you have now. So let me help you wrap this up. If you want brand deals to come to you, clean up your presentation, know how to describe your channel in one sentence, keep a rate card, understand natural brand content. If you want to chase brand deals, go on LinkedIn, message marketing teams politely, attack your media kit, sell value, not desperation. And throughout of all this, carry yourself like a business owner. My paddy, brand deals no be magical, na strategy, na packaging, na boldness. If you are ready to stop dreaming and start acting, I beg, like this video, drop brand ready in the comment section below. And if you want media kit template, pitch script, and real-time feedback, join my WhatsApp community. Link is in the description. You are not a random creator, you are a full media brand. So start acting like one. And may your next email be, I will love to sponsor your next video. Peace out, boss creator.